How often should you replace a blood pressure monitor? A high quality home monitor can remain accurate for many years if it's well maintained. Instead of replacing it on a fixed schedule, focus on its accuracy and condition. Many manufacturers estimate a service life of around 5 years, although this can vary depending on the model and how often it's used. Some organizations, such as the British and Irish Hypertension Society, suggest replacing a personal monitor after about 4 years of regular use rather than paying for recalibration, which can cost nearly as much as a new validated device. However, there is no universal medical guideline that requires replacing all blood pressure monitors after a specific number of years. Factors that affect a monitor's lifespan: age, even if the display still works, internal components, including the pressure sensor, air pump, and valves, gradually wear over time. This may reduce measurement accuracy, especially after years of regular use. Frequency of use. A monitor used several times a day by multiple family members will generally wear out faster than one used only once or twice a week. Every measurement places a small amount of wear on the pump, valves, and cuff. Cuff condition. The cuff often wears out before the monitor itself. Replace the cuff if the Velcro no longer holds securely, the tubing is cracked, the bladder leaks air, the fabric is badly worn. If the monitor is otherwise working properly, replacing only the cuff is often all that's needed. Signs: it may be time for a new monitor. Consider replacing your monitor if readings become consistently inconsistent or don't match your usual pattern, the cuff no longer inflates properly, you frequently see error messages despite correct cuff placement, the monitor has been dropped or damaged, its accuracy can no longer be verified. How to check whether your monitor is still accurate. The best way to check your monitor is to bring it to your next healthcare appointment. Ask your healthcare provider to compare readings from your home monitor with a recently calibrated clinical device using the same arm and proper measurement technique. Small differences between the two devices are normal, but consistently large differences may indicate that your monitor or cuff should be replaced. The bottom line: there is no universal rule that says a blood pressure monitor must be replaced every 3 years. A well-maintained, clinically validated monitor may remain accurate for longer, while a heavily used or damaged device may need replacement sooner. The most important factor isn't its age, it's whether it continues to provide reliable, accurate readings. Regular accuracy checks and proper maintenance are the best ways to ensure you can trust your results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Paramed, and check out our other videos for more practical tips.